Good morning, student. Today we have to discuss about cyclotron motion. In the last lecture, we have to study the magnetic force, right hand rule, and the expression for the magnetic field. Now today, cyclotron motion. A particle with charge q moving with velocity v in a magnetic field B is directed into the plane of the paper. Suppose this charge q, which are placed in a magnetic field B, then, according to Lorentz force law, the magnetic force on the particle will act toward the center of radius r, and this force will provide centripetal force to sustain a uniform circular motion. म्हणजेच पहा की moving charge which are placed in a magnetic field, this magnetic field and the direction of motion are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, charge experiences centripetal force, and due to this force, the particle performs circular motion. And the centripetal force is equal to QVB is equal to mv square upon r. Then rearrange this expression. Then mv is equal to p is equal to qbr. This mv is nothing but the product of mass into velocity, and the mass into velocity is called as a momentum, and this momentum p is equal to qbr. This is called as a cyclotron formula. Now next is the cyclotron accelerator. It was invented in 1934 for the purpose of study nuclear structure. The definition of the cyclotron is: the cyclotron is a charged particle accelerator accelerating charged particle to high energies. म्हणजेच हा सायक्लोट्रॉन काय करतो? इट चार्ज पार्टिकलला ॲक्सेलरेट करतो अँड ऑल्सो ॲक्सेलरेटिंग चार्ज पार्टिकल टू हाय एनर्जीजने तो चार्ज पार्टिकल ॲक्सेलरेट करतो. देन व्हॉट इज द प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ द सायक्लोट्रॉन? The principle of the cyclotron is the magnetic field puts the particle in circular path and high frequency electric field accelerate it. Frequency of revolution of a charged particle is independent of its energy in a magnetic field. म्हणजे हा magnetic field काय करतं? It puts the charged particle in circular path and high energy free electric field accelerate it, and the frequency of revolution of charged particle is independent of its energy of magnetic field. Now to study the construction of the cyclotron. Construction. First we have to see the diagram. This is the diagram of the cyclotron. The cyclotron consists of two semicircular discs like metal chambers D1 and D2 called the Ds. या सायक्लोट्रॉनला काय दोन सेमीसर्क्युलर डिस्क असतात. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ Ds, D1 and D2. Then uniform magnetic field is applied to perpendicular to Ds, आणि युनिफॉर्म मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड परपेंडिक्युलरली ह्या डीज वरती काय केलेलं आहे? ॲप्लाइड केलं आहे. अँड अल्टरनेटिंग व्होल्टेज अप टू 10,000 व्होल्ट ॲट हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी 10 मेगाहर्ट्ज इज ॲप्लाइड बिटवीन दी टू डीज. आणि ह्या दोन डीजच्या मध्ये 10,000 व्होल्ट ॲट हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी 10 मेगाहर्ट्ज इज ॲप्लाइड. Then electric field provides acceleration to the charged particle. These positive ions are produced by gas ionizing source kept at the point P between two Ds. ह्या दोन डीजच्या मध्ये काय केलेलं आहे? आयन्स, पॉझिटिव्ह आयन्स काय केलं आहे? प्लेस केलं आहे. नाव वर्किंग ऑफ दिस ॲक्सेलरेटर. आता ह्या ॲक्सेलरेटरचं वर्किंग कसं आहे पहा. Once the ion is emitted, it accelerates due to the negative voltage of D and performs semicircular motion within D. ड्यू टू दी निगेटिव्ह व्होल्टेज, ह्या निगेटिव्ह व्होल्टेजमुळं हा जो काही आयन आहे तो आयन काय होतो, ॲक्सलरेट होतो अँड इट परफॉर्म्स अ सेमी सर्क्युलर मोशन विदिन डी. ह्या डीमध्ये तो काय करतोय, सेमी सर्क्युलर मोशन परफॉर्म करतोय. व्हेन एव्हर द आयन मूव्स फ्रॉम वन डी to other D, it accelerates due to the potential difference between the two Ds and again performs semicircular motion to the other D. मग ह्या D मध्ये आल्यानंतर परत ड्यू टू द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स इट ॲक्सलरेट्स अँड परफॉर्म्स द सेमीसर्क्युलर मोशन इन द other D. Hence, the ion is always accelerated. Its energy increases and the radius of its circular path also increases, मेकिंग एंटायर पाथ अ स्पायरल. आणि हा आयन्सची जी काही मोशन आहे ती काय होते, इन्क्रीजिंग मोशन और विथ इन्क्रीजिंग रेडियस अँड मेकिंग द एंटायर पाथ स्पायरल. दिस इज द वर्किंग ऑफ द cyclotron. Then there are some calculations to find out the period to complete one circle. It is called as a period of revolution. Then to find out the period of ion moving in a circular path, from equation mv is equal to qbr, where q is the charge on ion, then we know that the expression for period t is equal to circumference of circle to its speed, this 2 pi r divided by v is equal to, from this equation r is equal to mv upon qb, then 2 pi upon v into mv upon qb, then 2 pi m divided by qb. This is the expression for period of ion moving in circular path. Then frequency of revolution is, it is the reciprocal of period. Fc is equal to 1 upon t is equal to qb upon 2 pi m. Then kinetic energy of ion or protons will be, kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Also from this equation v is equal to qbr divided by m, and square of this is q square b square r square divided by m square. Therefore the kinetic energy is equal to q square b square r square divided by 2 times m. This is the kinetic energy of the cyclotron. Kinetic energy of ions or protons. Thus, the final kinetic energy is proportional to the square of radius of outermost circular path. ही जी काही कायनेटिक एनर्जी आहे ती कशी असते, तर इट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वेअर ऑफ, कशाचा स्क्वेअर आहे, तर इट इज अ स्क्वेअर ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ द आउटरमोस्ट सर्क्युलर पाथ.